How to cure zombie villagers in Minecraft. So first you will need a brewing stand and just simply open it up. Now you will need 3 water bottles, so just simply put it right there. And some blaze powder, so put it right here. And your fermented spider eye. So once you have your fermented spider eye, put it here on the top, and you will see some bubbles coming up right here. And there's an arrow filling up right here on the right side. You just simply need to wait for it. Now, once that is done, you will see that we have a potion of weakness, and to make it splashable, since we need to splash it to the zombie, just get some gunpowder and put it here on the top, and just wait for it to fill up again. Now, once that is done, just simply get the splash potion of weakness, and just simply throw it to the zombie. So right click on your mouse to throw it. Now, once that's done, get your golden apple and right click on the zombie to feed it. Now, as you can see, they will start to like tremble like that, and you just need to wait for quite some time, and they will basically be back into a villager or a normal villager. Now, as you can see, the villager has been cured, and that's how you basically cure a zombie villager in Minecraft.